Go to create a sketch, select the front plane, select line, make a line here, make an arc here, and make a line here. This arc must be tangent with the both lines, okay? Go to sketch dimension, the distance here 35 millimeters, the radius here 50 millimeters, and the length here 25 millimeters. Okay, the angle between these two lines is 100 degrees. Okay, finish the sketch. Go to construct, offset plane, select this plane here, make a plane here 35 millimeters. Go to create a sketch, select this new plane here, select a line, construction line, click here in the midpoint, make a line here. Go to sketch dimension, the angle between this line here and this line here is 35 degrees. Finish the sketch. We have this, okay? Now go to construct, select the plane through two edges, select this line and this line here. We make this new plane here, press OK. Go to create a sketch, select this new plane. Go to create project, include project, select this point here, press OK. Select the arc, 3-point arc, make an arc here, and make a line here. And this line must be tangent with this arc. Go to sketch dimension. The length here is 10 millimeters. The radius here 15 millimeters. Go to constraint, select tangent, make this arc tangent with this line here. And the angle between this line and this line here is 105 degrees. We have this, okay, finish the sketch. Now go to create, select pipe, the path, select this sketch here, the section size 18 millimeters, operation new body, press OK. We have this, we can hide the sketch 2 here, okay. Now go to create a sketch, select the front plane again, go to create project, include project, the selection filter here, select the body, select this body here, press OK. We can hide here a little bit, select line, click here, make a line here with 2.5 millimeters, and make another line here. Okay, go to sketch dimension. The angle between this line and this line here is 45 degrees. And the distance between this point here and this point here is 18 millimeters. We have this, finish the sketch, show the body again, go to Revolve feature, select this profile, the axis, click here in this pipe. We have this, operation join, press OK. We made this, okay. Now show the sketch 1. We can hide this body a little bit. Go to construct, select the plane at angle, select this line here, angle here, 90 degrees, press OK. We make this plane here, go to create sketch, select this new plane, go to create, select the project, include the project, select the selection filter here, specified entities, select this face here, press OK. We can hide this body. Okay, we have this. Now select the line, construction line type. Click here, make a construction line here. Okay. Now select the 2-point rectangle, 3-point rectangle. Click here in this line. Remove the construction line to make this rectangle. We have this. Go to sketch dimension. The angle between these two lines here is 55 degrees. The distance here is 8.5 millimeters. Okay. Now select the line, construction line. Click here in this point. Make a construction line between this point and this line here. Go to sketch dimension. The distance here is 30 millimeters. Okay. And the distance between this point and this point here is 35 millimeters. We have this. Finish the sketch, show the body again, go to Revolve features, the profile, this profile, the axis, this line here. The operation here is join. Press OK. We have this. OK. Now go to modify, select shell, select this face here, this face here, and this face here. The inside thickness here is 2 millimeters. Press OK. We made this. Now show the plane tree here. Go to create a sketch, select this plane. Go to create project, include project, selection filter here, select the body, select this body here, press OK. Can hide this a little bit, select the circle, click here in this line, make a circle here, tangent with this point here, okay, coincident, sorry. The dimension here is 4 millimeters. And here go to modify, select the trim, cut here. We have this, okay. Finish the sketch. Show this body again. Go to Revolve features, select this profile, okay. The axis, selected this face here, internal face here. Operation join, press OK. We have this, okay. Now go to create a sketch, select this face here. Okay, select the circle, find the center of this circle here. Make a circle here, go to sketch dimension. The distance between this circle and this circle here is 4 millimeters. Okay. Finish the sketch. Go to Extrude, select this profile here. Extrude this. The operation here is join. The distance minus 5 millimeters. And press OK. We made this. Okay. Now go to create a sketch, select this face here, select the circle, find the same center of this pipe here. The distance here, 36 millimeters. Finish the sketch, go to Extrude, select this profile here, and select this face here, extrude this 1 millimeters. Operation join, press OK. Now go to modify and select the fillet. For round fillet, select this face here and press OK. We have this, okay. Now go to create a sketch, select this face here. Show the sketch 8. Let me hide this body here. Go to create project, include project, specify entity, select the sketch 8 here, construction, and press OK. You can hide this, you have this reference, okay. Now go to circle, click here in the midpoint, make a circle here. Go to sketch dimension. The distance between this circle and this circle here is 4 millimeters. Okay. Select line, construction line. Click here in the midpoint, make a construction line from the midpoint to this project circle here. We have this, okay. Now select the circle, remove the construction line type. Click here in this intersection. Make a circle here with 2 millimeters of diameter. Okay. Select a line. Make a line here. Okay. Now go to constraint, select the tangent. Make this line tangent with this circle and this line tangent with this circle. Go to sketch dimension. The angle between these two lines here is 20 degrees. The angle here is 20 degrees. Okay, we have this. And the distance between this point here and this line is 6 millimeters. Okay, we have this. Show this body here. Finish the sketch. Go to Extrude. Select this profile here. Okay. The operation here is a cut, 2 millimeters, that's okay. Press OK, we have this. Now go to create selected pattern, circular pattern. The object type is features. The features is this cut that we made here. Okay. The axis selected this internal face here. Quantity 6. Distribution full. Press OK. We made this. Okay. Now go to create, select the front plane. Go to create project, include project, selection filter here. Select the body. Select this body here. Press OK. We can hide this body a little bit. We have this. Okay. Select the circle. No, sorry. Select the line, construction line. Click here in this line here. Make a construction line here. Okay. Select the circle. Remove the construction line type. Click here in this point. Make a circle here with 2 millimeters of diameter. Okay. Select the line. Make a line here. And make a line here. And make a line between these 2 points. Okay. Go to sketch dimension. The distance here is 4.2 millimeters. Okay. The distance between this point here and the midpoint here is 17 millimeters. And the distance between this point here and this point here is 3 millimeters. Okay. Now go to constraints, select the tangent, make this line tangent with this line, and this line tangent with this circle, sorry. And go to constraints, select the equal, make these 2 line equal lines. We have this, okay. Now go to create and select the rectangular pattern. The object, select this line here, this line here, this circle. Click here and there. The distance here is 6.2 millimeters. And the quantity here is 6. Let's move this a little bit. The distribution here is spacing. And the distance here 6.2 millimeters. The quantity is 5. And press OK. To check that this is correct, go to sketch dimension. The distance here must be 3 millimeters. Okay. That's okay. Finish the sketch. Go to Revolve features. We can show this body here. The profile, select all this profile here. Okay, the axis, selected this pipe here. The operation join, press OK. We have this. Okay. Now show the plane one. Go to create a sketch, select this plane here. We can hide this body a little bit. Select a circle. Click here, make a circle here with 36 millimeters of diameter. Okay. Select a line, construction line. Click here, make a line here. Now go to create, select the arc. Select the 3-point arc. Click here in this point here. And make an arc here. No, sorry. Go to create 3-point arc, make an arc here. Remove the construction line type. Okay, go to sketch dimension. The radius here is 8 millimeters. And go to constraint, select the coincident, select this point here and this point here. Okay. We can move here a little bit. Go to constraints, horizontal vertical constraint, select this 2 point here. Select the line, make a line here, tangent with this arc, okay. close this line here. Make it this 2-point constraint, horizontal, vertical. Go to sketch dimension. The angle between these two lines here is 135 degrees. Okay. Just to check this here, the angle between this line and this construction line here must be this distance here. Okay. And go to sketch dimension here, the distance between these 2 points here, 2 millimeters, that's okay. That's enough. Finish the sketch. Show this body here. Go to Extrude. Select this profile here. Extrude this 33 millimeters, that's okay. Operation cut. And press OK. We have this, okay. Here we finish our exercise, so thanks for watching, subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.